Hi guys, welcome to a special twin flame reading I've been called to do, and we're going to talk about the Three of Swords. We're going to talk about heartbreak. This is important in the twin flame path, and we're all healing from some sort of heartbreak, hurt, betrayal, some sort of Three of Swords incident in our life. And it's really important in clearing that when we want to restore balance and become whole and not feel like we're the walking wounded, as well as having someone else have to complete us. Feeling like we need someone to love us in order to feel worthy, and as well as for someone to love us, love our wounds better. The Three of Swords is really about learning how to deal with those situations. And even when they come up in the present, then we know how to deal with them, and we can deal with them differently. We can heal with them differently. We can harmonize with people around us, because first and foremost, when we are in heartbreak, we are in the thick of it. We are so close to source energy. We are feeling things like we're ripped right open, right? We're feeling raw. Like when you're in touch with your emotions on that level, you're really in touch with your emotions on that level. But this is your opportunity. This is your actual opportunity to change things. You can use that energy like an explosion to propel you somewhere else. But you really have to decide where you want to go. And quite often it's a mix of both. We kind of go up, and then we go down, or down and then we go up, down, up, down, up. But we can really use that energy just to propel us to a whole new space. And we can heal. We don't have to stay stuck there. And I have my little friend over today. We don't have to stay stuck there. We just don't. We can heal from the Three of Swords, and then we don't want to live there in that hurt. We don't want to live in that feeling like that. But also too, we're not thinking clearly. We're having so much time of a hard time harmonizing with the people around us, and then the people that are trying to harmonize around us, well, they want us just to be better so that they can feel better. Plus they don't want us to suffer. But part of heartbreak is suffering, and it's suffering through it. You don't allow it to charge your negative story for forever. No, we don't stay stuck in our victim abuse templates. We heal from them. We repair, we restore, we rebuild something new now, and it's gonna be healed. And we're gonna heal our broken heart, baby. Let's do it. Let's heal our broken hearts, okay? We're gonna mend now. You know, I love the Tarot Bible. Let's just get the meaning of the Three of Swords. Wounding, disbelief, rejection. And I think rejection is one of the biggest. Getting to the heart of the matter. Triumph of logic over emotion, torn between two lovers, feeling hurt inside, discovering a painful truth, feeling let down, feeling others are out to hurt you, being cheated on, fear of losing your partner, jealous imaginings. And for whatever other reasons you've been hurt. And remember, they're all gonna be different, because we all need to heal different. We've all been through different things. So to say my healing journey looks like yours, that's just not happening. Now, let's just see what the cards have to say. My little man over here is having a little heartbreak. He misses his mama. He's just over visiting with my biscuit boo over here. One sec, thank you. Alrighty, let's see what's happening. See what's popping. What's going down. How are we going to heal from this heartbreak? Well, Three of Cups. In this, the celebration is about the offering, and the offering of creation, the offering between body, mind, soul, the offering between even the circle of feminine energy, the healing circle. Feminine power. This is about feminine power, divine feminine power. You know, the birth of life, the birth of something new, a stairway to actual heaven, a stairway to the creation of heaven. And just, I can feel the peace of the ocean in that stairwell. Connected to the lunar energies, the void, creation, your visions, what do you want to create? And I really feel like it's with the spark, the fire. This Three of Cups, I feel like, has action in it. An offering action. So for everyone who's joining me here, it's going to resonate differently. How you're going to act with what you're offering with your cup, it's all going to be different. But remember, it's of healing and it's connection to source. Five of Wands. And this is the battle. This is the battle within. This is the battle around from the heartbreak. I'm going to go let that little guy out. Sorry about that, guys. I apologize. All right. Okay. Nine of Cups. This is wish fulfillment. But this is wish fulfillment in the way now, okay, we're filling our cup because it's the Nine of Cups. But it's remembering that it's not about a trophy. It's about an offering. Our cups are not trophies. They're not just things that we, you know, put up on our wall and shine for us to feed our egos. That's not what it's about. Like these cups, they're about mastering ourselves, letting go, wisdom. And it's not about pride. It's not about pride like that. It's about harmony and peace and passion and that golden Christ energy that we're creating with in the void, the actual light, Christ consciousness, awareness. With the Three of Pentacles, and these are people that we are creating with on our spiritual quest. I feel like we're missing something. We're missing something. We're not seeing something clearly right now because we're in the thick of it. We don't want to live in the pain. We want to gain a bird's eye view. We want to work to shift, to create something that wasn't there before because we need to heal. And we can't go back to the past. We're not going back to the past. We're creating a new space because we're using this as an experience, a tool to learn, to it's going to help our evolution. And it's not being cold. It's not saying like, oh, heartbreak doesn't matter, betrayal doesn't matter, hurt doesn't matter. Yeah, it matters. It matters more than anything. But do you want to use that energy to create something to flourish with? Or do you want to let that energy, you know, allow you to become stagnant and like literally, you know, no, sorry, we fight and we use that energy to transform with the Six of Wands, and there's our healing victory right there. We're healing. We're healing from the heartbreak. We're healing from the pain. We're healing from the betrayal. It's like this dog just had to be here today because he has to be healing from his heartbreak and betrayal. All right. Now, let's just see what's being activated. Okay. It's this card. This card flew here. These cards flew down like that. And I just feel like that's what we're doing here. That's the message. And we're going to get the message that goes along with it from this deck. So Two of Air. All right, Ten of Pentacles with Justice. So we have the Nine of Air, Justice, and the Ten of Pentacles. Let's get the messages. Okay. Shifting negative self-talk to self-compassion, from fear to possibility, a call to faith. With a gentle voice, I tell myself that I will be okay, that I am okay, and that any fear is merely false evidence appearing as real. I forgive myself because I know I am a human trying the best I can and need only call on spirit to remember that I can and will do better as new possibilities begin to gather on my horizon. And that is first step to positive charge when your heart is hurting. Justice. A young boy stands before a hag. She sits on a stone and runs her hands through her hair. They seem to be conversing over something. The meaning: bring your world into balance. Be fair and kind to others. It is time to make a choice. A family reunion. Many people gather around an old man, a young child. This seems to be a celebration. The meaning of the Ten of Pentacles: success and comfort surrounds you. Give back to your community. Have a solid structure in place. So this is what I see here is New Earth, the creation of New Earth. What we came here to do. We're getting justice. We're actually not feeling like we're this big anymore. We're actually feeling and, our full potential, our full power, our full manifestation capabilities. And because we're going to grow through this experience, we're not going to feel this small anymore, because we're going to heal, we're going to restore, we're going to repair, and we're going to find a new space, even maybe a new community, new people to harmonize with. And we're going to actually feel like we belong here. That's what I see. I see belonging in a community, a tribe, a new soul tribe. We're going to heal, and we can all have great people, but please, if you are changing and you feel called to spend time with different people, don't feel bad. That's part of this energy of the Three of Pentacles. It's like changing things up and learning that we meet people for a season, for a reason, along our path to give us a message. Now let's just get an oracle. Just get an oracle. No. That was 5. Let's try that again. There it is. Live wire number 35. Live wire. Within you is a powerful elixir that can change the world, both your world and the one around you. Scientists call this elixir emotions, but you can think of it as a supercharged current capable of taking you anywhere you want to go. You can use your emotions to suffer or to skyrocket to fame. Good to know that it's up to you. And that whole oracle sums everything we just discussed in one whole card. It's up to you. Do you want to use this energy to skyrocket to fame, or do you want to use this energy to continue to hurt and suffer and drown in? But we're skyrocketing to fame over here, baby. Thank you for joining me and healing with me. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.